Good morning from Prudent Prosperity, Monday, October 20th. Here are 5 things you need to know today. Number 1. Stock futures are gaining ground at the start of a busy week for corporate earnings after major indexes rose last week despite a volatile stretch of trading fueled by banking sector worries and trade-related tensions. Investors are awaiting further developments on the trade front and awaiting the scheduled release on Wednesday of inflation data that will factor into the Federal Reserve's upcoming decision on interest rates. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average were up 0.2% recently, while those linked to the benchmark S&P 500 and the tech-focused Nasdaq added 0.3% and 0.4%, respectively. Gold futures were up nearly 2% at $4,295 an ounce, rebounding from a downturn on Friday that followed a string of record highs. Bitcoin was trading near $111,000 after dropping below $104,000 on Friday. The yield on the 10-year Treasury note, which affects borrowing costs on an array of consumer loans, held steady at 4.01%. Number 2. Several major websites went down after cloud platform Amazon Web Services experienced major outages early Monday. The outage affected several Amazon services, including Alexa, while also reportedly creating disruptions for Disney+, Lyft, The New York Times, Reddit, Ring, Snapchat, Reddit, Ring, Robinhood, T-Mobile, United Airlines, Venmo, Verizon, gaming site Fortnite, OpenAI's ChatGPT, Epic Games Store, AI model Perplexity, and the McDonald's app too. The Verge. Major AWS outage takes down Fortnite, Alexa, Snapchat, and more. 3 shares of Amazon were little changed in pre-market trading. The shares have lost 3% since the start of the year, making Amazon the only member of the Magnificent Seven group of major technology stocks to be in negative territory in 2025. Number 3. Apple's iPhone 17 model outsold the iPhone 16 by 14% during the first 10 days of sales in the US and China, the 2 markets that make up the bulk of the company's phone sales. According to Counterpoint Research Point, the report said that improvements to the iPhone 17 provided value that helped draw in more buyers. A better chip, improved display, higher base storage, selfie camera upgrade. All for the same price as last year's iPhone 16, said senior analyst Mengming Zhang. The report found that the base model iPhone 17 performed well in China, while the premium iPhone 17 Max saw strong demand in the US, with discounts provided by phone carriers helping to spur sales. Apple shares were up 1.5% in recent pre-market trading. Number 4. Proxy voting service Institutional Shareholder Services is advising Tesla shareholders to vote against a proposed $1 trillion pay package for CEO Elon Musk. 5. The Proxy firm wrote that it was concerned about the magnitude and structure of the pay package, which features several lofty benchmarks that include pushing the company's value to more than $8.5 trillion, well above its current market capitalization of roughly $1.5 trillion. ISS also advised shareholders to reject a proposal for Tesla to invest in Musk's xAI, the AI company that merged with Musk's X social media platform earlier this month. Tesla's shares, which have gained 33% over the past 3 months, were up about 1% ahead of the opening bell. The company is scheduled to report earnings on Wednesday. Number 5. Shares of Cooper Companies surged more than 5% in pre-market trading after activist investor Jana Partners reportedly built a stake in the medical device maker. The Wall Street Journal said Jana is looking for strategic alternatives for the company, including a potential deal to combine the company's contact lens unit with rival Bosch Plus Loan. 6 shares of Bosch Plus Loan were down nearly 2% in pre-market trading. And that's it for today.
If any of today's insights sparked a question or made you think about your own financial journey, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Let's take your next step together, strategically and confidently. And always remember, stay prudent, stay prosperous, make it a great day.